What have you done?
Jennie Carter Benedict? You invented Benedictine. You were an amazing turn-of-the-century businesswoman, philanthropist, and cookbook author who was deeply cherished by the city of Louisville. You're buried in Cave Hill Cemetery. You're like a celebrity. What are you doing here?
Well, I was getting ready to hop into an Uber, headed to Churchill Downs, looking to get my drink on. Bet on some ponies, and all of a sudden I went poof, and ended up in your kitchen. Happens a lot. Ghost. But back to the point. What have you done with my Benedictine recipe?
Oh, nothing. I just added a few things.
Why? It's perfect the way it is. You think you know better than I?
No, not at all. I just wanted to put a unique spin on a classic. That's all. Here, try one.
That's rather delicious. How much food coloring did you use?
None. It's actually naturally colored with an avocado.
Is that an alligator pear? Oh, that's for rich people in California. Wherever did you get one of those?
They're actually very popular now that the whole world is obsessed with them.
I bet we could mash this up, put it on some toast, overcharge young people for it.
I think you may be onto something. Today, I'm making one of the most famous foods in Louisville, Benedictine. It's a cucumber and cream cheese spread that's essential at any derby party. Since recipes for Benedictine are always the same, I'm putting a unique spin on this classic by adding some fresh herbs, lemon, and avocado for a natural green color. This recipe is very easy and tastes best if you prepare it a day or two before you eat it, which frees up time for your party. Now, this first step is important because it keeps your Benedictine from becoming watery. Add a sprinkle of salt to your chopped cucumbers and lay them in a large bowl on top of a thin layer of paper towels, and place something heavy directly on top. Set aside for at least 10 minutes. Use a mixer to combine 2 8-ounce packages cream cheese, softened, 1 ripe avocado, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons fresh lemon zest, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 cup sour cream. Beat vigorously until smooth and creamy, then lower the speed and blend in the chives, tarragon, mint, shallots, and cucumbers. Season to taste. Cover and chill for at least 24 hours. Serve on slices of bread, garnished with mint and thin slices of cucumber to make beautiful finger sandwiches. Perfect for Mother's Day, derby, and tea parties. Simple, elegant, and no one has to know how easy it was.